This is the all-new 2025 Indian Motorcycle Roadmaster PowerPlus Dark Horse 112, built for riders who want comfort, muscle, and attitude all in one premium machine. Underneath you, a monster 1,834cc PowerPlus engine, delivering the kind of power that turns long rides into unforgettable journeys. And here's the best part. You can make this beast yours today for just $32,999. That's right, a legendary touring machine at an unbeatable price. But don't wait, bikes like this Roadmaster Dark Horse don't sit still for long. So swing by Hollister Powersports right here in Hollister, California, or call us at 831-630-5200. You can visit, email, or call. Whatever gets you on this bike faster. And hey, don't forget to tell them you found it on YouTube. Your next great ride starts now. Hollister Powersports. Let's roll.